Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to do a little sawdust firing highlights video real quick here. So I have an old barbecue that I've modified to be my sawdust firing pit, and you'll see that I just start a nice fire going here. And once it starts to go, I'll put the lid down a little bit, and then I will fan it with a portable air blower. Basically, it's a portable leaf blower is what it is. So really get those flames going, get those coals going. You see it kind of the flames licking out there. It's pretty cool. And then we'll get it really hot, and then we'll put the lid down and we'll let it smolder overnight. And you'll see here in just a second what that looks like when we open it up in the morning. So it's been going all night, and you can see the pots there. I've got them wrapped in copper wire, copper sulfate, banana peels, corn husks and stuff. So this particular kiln here has, I think, 3 or 4 pots, and then it has a couple of sculptures from Toby Larson over at Toby Wayne Art. You can check out his channel. He's a great sculptor, good friend of mine. And yeah, so you got to kind of dig through the ashes. It's cold by now because it's been sitting overnight. So, and kind of taking the tin foil off some of these, and you'll see some of the flashing on them. See the beautiful green from the copper there. And we continue to dig around here. Things move in the fire. So I can't remember exactly. I think at this point I couldn't remember exactly what I put in there. So there's one of Toby's sculptures. Oh, and this raven turned out so nice. Just turned out beautiful. That picture does, that video doesn't do it justice. So I keep like digging around here, getting all the pots out. There's his rhinoceros. So that's it, guys, and then I'll show you some after pictures after I get them all cleaned up. So this one had some beautiful markings on it. I don't really care that much for all the red and green flashing. It's okay, but I really like these patterns where it gives you really black and gray, and then some beautiful, the cream colors of the actual clay. All of these pots here were burnished so they have a nice smooth surface. You get this beautiful, like here, this beautiful texture from the smoke. And then this one with the kind of the broken rim on it, which was intentional, and the beautiful blacks against the grays and the browns and the creams. It just makes that so cool. And there you have it, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Follow us over at Patreon if you want to see what we're doing over there. And we will see you on the next one.